In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps and Services. Then click on Default Apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on your new downloaded one to apply it, and when you finished, hit Change in the pop-up to save your changes. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!